My name is Sarah Jane. I'm a yoga therapist, and I'm going to be showing you a practice today that is going to help with burnout. So, if you are someone who is feeling mentally, emotionally, or physically burned out, this is the practice for you. This is going to be based off of the Sun card from a tarot deck I co created called Be With Your Body Tarot. All you will need is something to put your legs on, a chair. You could, if you have a bolster handy, you could have a big bolster, anything that you can put your legs on that feels comfortable for you. And if you would like, you can have a blanket. So, all you'll need to do to get yourself comfortable, put your legs up on whatever the thing is that is supporting you, grab your blanket, and place it on your body. And make sure that your arms are outside of your blanket to start. Rest your elbows onto the floor and then rest your hands onto your abdomen or the side of your body, whatever feels most supportive. If it feels comfortable and safe, you can close your eyes. Otherwise, fix your attention somewhere forward. And start by taking deep breaths in and out of the nose or in through your nose and out of your mouth. As you take these deep breaths, feel your abdomen gently expand and contract with each inhale and exhale. Feel the support of the floor beneath you. Feel the texture or the weight of the blanket on you. And then start to bring your attention to the sounds in your space. Maybe you can hear the birds in my space. Maybe in your own area, you could hear sounds of nature or sounds of people. Try not to put too much story or attention into that sound. Just notice. And then bring to mind a memory of sunlight. Bring to mind a memory of sunlight. The first one you think of is just fine. As you inhale, take your hands a little bit away from your body, as though you're gathering that sunlight. And then as you exhale, bring your hands back to your body, as though you are incorporating that memory or that sun into your system. Inhale, take your hands away from your body, open up through the palms. So you're keeping your elbows on the floor, so you get this beautiful little heart opener here in your upper chest. And then exhale, bring your hands back to your abdomen, integrating that memory, that sunlight back into your body. And repeat this a few times on your own. Maybe take your hands as far away from your body till the back of the hands find the floor. So you're feeling nice and open. If that feels like too much of a stretch, then just go any distance that feels good for you. And then exhale again, hands back to your body. And just keep repeating this a few times on your own. Have the movement be slow with your breath. Let's do two more like this on your own. After that second one, settle your hands onto your abdomen. And take some deep breaths here. Feel that sunlight move through your body. So maybe as you inhale, imagine the sunlight is moving all the way up to your head. And as you exhale, imagine that that sunlight is moving all the way down to your feet. Inhale, imagine the sunlight is going all the way up to your head. And exhale, imagine that sunlight is going all the way back down to your feet. Just repeat this breath a couple times on your own. Bringing the warmth and the memory into your body. Notice the place that is so easy for that sunlight to get to. And then notice the place in your body that it's harder to access that warmth. Again, release the opinion or judgment like you did with the sound. Just notice. And then see if you could gently bring warmth into that place that might need a little bit more warmth. And when your mind starts to wander, bring your attention back into your body or into the sounds in your space. Maybe you hear birds. Maybe you hear sounds of people. Maybe you hear sounds of a home. When you feel ready, gently pull your knees in towards your chest. You could take your hands onto your kneecaps, maybe roll a little bit side to side. As you inhale, reach the legs up towards the ceiling and extend your arms outward. Maybe flex through your heels. Take a breath in. And then as you exhale, bend your knees. Take your hands back onto your kneecaps. Take a breath out. Inhale, extend the legs up and the arms out. Exhale, bend your knees. Take your hands onto your knees. And then just repeat this 2 more times on your own. And when you're ready, roll to a side and find a path into a comfortable seat. We're going to end with this affirmation. You can repeat if you'd like, or just hold it in your heart. I do not need to earn rest. I do not need to earn joy. I am allowed to experience these things whenever I would like or need. I do not need to earn rest. I do not need to earn joy. I can experience these things whenever I want or need. One more time. I do not need to earn rest. I do not need to earn joy. I am allowed to experience these things whenever I want or need. I hope you feel refreshed. I hope you feel some peace. And I hope you find a sweet connection with your body today. Thank you.